Hi, so this is TK1. This is a hybrid concept. So we purchased this bike for around about 600 dirhams, equates to about 150 UK pounds. So it's a very old, cheap quality bike. We brought TK1, our patent technology, with us to lovely Dubai. You can see it, beautiful Dubai. So with our technology, we converted this old bike, we made it into an electric bike. So as a top-end performance electric bike, for example, like Porsche. So the beauty with this is I'm using it as a normal bike. You can see, demonstrating pedaling as normal. Okay, capturing the sights as well at the same time. But as it's a hybrid concept, we can use the motor just when we feel like so. So I'm going to start using the motor 20-30%, helping me along, still slightly pedaling, so demonstrating true pedal assist here. Might increase it now a bit more to 50%. As you can see, still pedaling. Now I'm gonna use option 3 out of the hybrid options, which will allow me to stop pedaling and just use battery. Again, now taking in the sights of lovely Dubai. So that's option 3, full battery mode. If I want to increase the torque, it's got the bike there as well. But why when you can enjoy lovely Dubai? So we have 3 options there with TK1. Hope you enjoy.